Eid or Sallah never gets better if you don't fry some crispy fried beef. In this video, I will show you how to season and fry beef to perfection. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and it is packed with flavor. Whether you are using your Eid sacrifice meat or simply craving a tasty beef dish, this recipe is easy to follow and perfect for all your beef dishes. Watch to the end as I take you through. In my pot, I will go in with my well washed beef and I am going to season this with some onions. And here I blended some onions, garlic, and ginger. Next, I am going to add my seasoning. And here I have salt, all pepper seasoning, shrimp seasoning, beef seasoning, garlic, and ginger powder as well. So I am going to add all this into my beef, and you can add all your seasonings of choice as well. Okay. So next I am going to add water because I will be using the beef stock later. Next I am going to add authentic yaji I got from Naya, and you can as well contact the number on the container if you want it, because it took my this thing's taste to the next level. So after adding everything, I am going to give it a stir because I want every piece of the beef to be well coated with the seasonings. So I am going to just give it a very good mix so every beef will be well coated. If you are still here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it is free. Oh, make sure to like this video, share this video, and turn on your notification. Okay, I am going to cover this and allow it to cook for 10 to 12 minutes or so it is halfway done. Then our beef is ready for frying. Just see how yummy this turned out. So I am going to remove everything from the stock, or you can just leave it like that and continue with your frying. So next, I already have oil on my heat, and the temperature of the oil should be moderate, okay? Not too hot and not too low, or how do I even say it? So next I am going to go in with my already seasoned and pre-cooked beef, and I am going to fry this till I'm okay with the consistency. Make sure your fire or heat is on medium or low heat, okay? So this is the consistency we are going in for. Very crispy. And with this, you can actually save this meat or beef for over a year. I tell you guys. If you want to preserve your beef for long, after frying, allow it to cool down completely and allow the oil to cool down as well. Get a container, put in your beef, and then pour the oil you used in frying the beef over it. And you can store this for as long as you want on your counter. No need for you to put it in the fridge or freezer. All you have to do is just use a clean spoon and then scoop any quantity you want to use and then reheat it, and that is all. And the feedback I get when I fry salami is mind-blowing. Just see how flavorful, juicy, inviting, mouth-watering this turned out. How many pieces do you want me to send to you? Oh yeah, drop your address in the comment section fast. Thank you for watching. Bye.